Okay. Lesson learned. Ugh. If you're gonna cook marshmallows, only cook one at a time. Okay, so like I was doing this thing, and I was cooking marshmallows, right? I put like a whole bunch, like 5, in like a bowl, and yeah, that's all that's left. Want some s'mores?
No.
S'mores. Ew. It's stuck. For funsies, let's microwave one marshmallow in the microwave.
No.
For a whole minute.
Don't even think about it. Don't. No.
The one button isn't working.
No.
It won't let me.
Don't you do it.
There you go. Let's try again. Let's go.
Are you crazy? Are you totally crazy?
It's getting bigger already. It's not even like 10 seconds in. Yes, I am crazy. Run. Look how, oh, it got like a dent in it. Look how big it got. Bruh. Oh wow. I'm gonna have to clean it up again.
It explodes. It
I
explodes.
wish it would explode. There's a dent inside of the dent. I like science experiments.
This needs to stop.
But
No.
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 DIYs.
No.
Oh my god. It looks like a s'more. Oh my god. Look at it. Ah, let me get a spoon. Let me get a It's s'mores on it. It looks like blood.
You had one job.
It looks like blood.
One job.
Look at the blood. That looks so cool. Bro, yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Oh my god, I would eat that
one
right
job.
now if
One job.
if heated sugar wouldn't burn me. I would eat this right
One
now.
job.
I can't even pick it up. I know I am mostly right-handed, but like I'm like part ambidextrous. No, come on. Oh, it's already sticking. Oh no. This is what I have made.
You had one job.
Stop using my line. Oh my gosh, that looks it's a roach.
So that's mine now.
Dude, I'm gonna just use not s'mores. I'm gonna just use marshmallows whenever I want to create like some kind of alien s'more looking thing. It crunches like it could be a spider or a roach. Haha. Dude, it's awesome. I would eat this.
No.
I would eat this.
No, don't you even think about it.
But like now I have to clean up all of this again. Oh my gosh, like a string was left behind when I pulled it up. Wow. Like, I can't even pick it up. Come on. It's not hot anymore, it's just brittle. Oh! Scrape! Oh! Yep.